Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not yet a member of our free options trading group, there's a link below in the description. You can go through there. We post our trades in here, pretty active. Pretty much every day I post what I'm doing, kind of some of the trades that I've made throughout the day and kind of what I'm looking at, so you can kind of look at that. Join us, be a member, looking to grow, looking to learn from each other. Definitely appreciate you if you've already joined, if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. But today what we're going to be talking about, doing a quick video on putting an iron condor on in Robinhood. Robinhood options, not the easiest platform for doing spreads, or definitely not iron condor. So I have my account here. I'm up about 45% this year, a little bit over 45%. And I'm just going to show you real quick how to put on a iron condor. So I'm actually going to do one in Amazon, just because it gives nice wide pricing. Right now the market is closed, so I'm not actually going to place an order, but I'll show you how you can tell if it's right and know how to get in and get out of the order. So what I will do here is I'm going to go into Amazon. Let's go here, and what I always do is, right now it's the call side, kind of highlights it first. What I like to do is put the short side on first and then the long side, and what I mean by that is I'll sell the short call first and then I'll buy the long call. So when you're doing an iron condor, the strategy is that you want it to be neutral. Let's say for Amazon right now, the share price right now at close was $19.9975. So you want the iron condor to be between your calls and your puts. So I'll show you what that means here in a second. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go kind of wide on this, and I'm actually going to do the sell side first, and I'm going to sell let's make it easy on us, the 45 here, 2045. I'll hit sell, and then I'm actually going to buy the 2047.50. And what I did here is, how you kind of determine that is, how do you determine which one to sell and which one to buy is kind of a trick that I like to do, is you sell the one that's closer in the money, or if you can't remember that, you sell the one that is more expensive. So you sell the one that's closer to the money. 2045 is closer to the money to 2000 or 1999 than 2047. It's kind of how I remember that. And you do the same as the put side. The put side here is always going to be closer in the money than the sell side, so I'm going to go to the sell side first, and I'm going to, let's do these 75s here, 1975, and then I'm going to buy the something below that is the 1972.50. And kind of the goal of this trade, then, if I were to really have this trade on, as you can see here, you know that you did this trade right if it's in a Robinhood, if you see iron condor right here in the upper right. And this is the same for mobile, except for it'll be displayed below. And when you do mobile, you'll actually in the upper right hand corner have to hit the select button. When you hit the select button, you can then select multiple legs. But right now, you did it right, because it'll say iron condor here, and it'll say total credit that you're getting is right here. Is how much credit I would get for this trade. So I'm not going to get a lot of credit for this trade, because I did it for options expiring Friday, and that's like in a day. So that's why the credit is so low, but you get the idea. And the goal of this trade here is to be a neutral position where you want at expiration or between the expirations kind of wear down the ones on the outside, and have the price settle somewhere in the middle. So ideally, I'd like the Amazon stock price to be between be above 1975, but I would like it to be below 2045. So you want to be below, in between your short strikes, in between expiration. What a lot of people do is they put these on the monthlies. So like I would do September 14th, do the monthlies, let it wear down, take profits at like 40, 30, 40%, maybe 50%, and then move on or roll it out or whatever you want to do. So this is a neutral strategy. It's a quick way to put this trade on. Right now the market is closed, but it would conduct it as a whole. One thing I will say about iron condor is you want to do it on a stock that has liquid options. It's hard to get fills on stocks that don't have great fills. I mean, not very liquid, so you're not going to get a great fill. The one way, so once you put this on, if you ever did a credit spread, I have some other videos on credit spreads and putting the order. So this would all go into one order, and kind of like over here, I have a strangle. It would display right here as Iron Condor on Amazon. And then when you want to go close it out, all you have to do is close it out. Let's say click on this, like this is a strangle, but it would say, instead of strangle, it would say Iron Condor. It would say close. All you have to do is put in one, and then review order and close the whole order out. So very simple. I think the confusing part for many people is actually putting the order on and what order to do it in, because the options chain for Robinhood is kind of different than other platforms. So, if you have any questions, just want to do a quick video on this. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below. If this video was of value to you, please like the video and hit that subscribe button for me.